In this video today, I'm going to practically show you how you can make face mask even without sewing machine at home. Hello and thank you so much for watching. I am Ijapari Gyang, the mom on point. I'm an author, a public speaker, a writer, and an online business coach. I help people convert their knowledge into profitable business on the internet. So if you want to get latest notification on our videos, you can just help me click the subscribe button and click the bell so that you get latest notification on everything we do here. And if you watch till the end, I'm going to share with you so many valuable information that you're going to be needing at this time. So with me here is wipes. This is wipes, the normal baby wipes we use here in Nigeria. So I have 3 pieces of wipes, and then the next thing with me is needle and thread, and then a tissue, toilet roll or tissue, whatever name you call it. And then optionally here is elastic. Elastic is optional, so just watch till the end. You can either use elastic, or in place of elastic you can still use your wipes. So the first step I'm going to do here is I'm going to place my wipes like this, and then I'm going to place my tissue paper. I'm adding tissue paper so that to increase the protection. It will reduce the amount of dust or any particles that will penetrate through the mask. So after putting my tissue paper, I'm going to place another wipes on it. So the next step is I will fold it into 2 this way. I'll fold the edge like this, and I'll still again fold the edge this way. After folding the edge, I'm going to open it back good. So I'm going to watch this line like this, and I'll still pick this one again like this. So now I have it folded outward like this. Good. So the next thing I'm going to do, as you can see here it is, I'm going to sew the next thing I'm going to do is I will sew this edge and this edge. Please, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to give me a like. And if you have not subscribed to our channel, kindly click the subscribe button so that you get latest notification about online businesses, about self-publishing, graphic design, a lot of how-to, from how to make liquid soap, how to make hand sanitizer, how to make perfume, how to make antiseptic, Dettol, how to write and self-publish your book on Amazon and become bestseller. I do just about anything. I do a lot of how-tos on this channel. Alright, here I'm done with sewing the 2 edges, this side and this side. I've sewn it. I just want it to be neat. I'm adjusting the side that the tissue paper come out. Alright, so the next thing is, if you have elastic, I remember my last video somebody asked me how do we get the tiny elastic like this. I cut it out of this. So if you have elastic, you use elastic, but if you don't have elastic, you can go ahead and just cut your wipes. Your wipes can also serve as elastic. You can cut your wires out and then fold it so that it will look neat. So here is it. As you can see, it's elastic, so you can now fix it this way. So mostly I always encourage, if you are anything you are doing like this, you measure out your ear where it will stop. Like this one now, it stops here, so this one can serve for two sides. I will cut it out and then I'll fix it here. I'll sew it with my needle and thread. So with elastic is optional, just as I've said earlier. You can use your wires to also do this. You must not use elastic. And again, I've decided to share with all my subscribers for free. There's a video, there's a webinar I did before, a paid webinar that is only those that pay that get access to it. But right now I'm giving it out for free to all my subscribers. 5 online businesses you can start with zero capital. Online business you can do without even paying a dime. You don't need investment. All you need is internet access and your mobile phone. So if you want to have access to that video, just kindly just click on the subscribe button and click the bell so that you get notification on the video I'm going to send to you. If you have any question, please go ahead. You can ask in the comment section of this video. I have a lot of videos and I always follow my subscribers. And if you want me to coach you one-on-one, or you have any question, or there's something you want me to do for you, you can, in the description of this video, I'm going to drop the link to all my social media handles, so you can also do that. You can reach out to me from my WhatsApp to my Facebook, my Instagram. All the link to those handles are in the description of this video. You can kindly click on more. As you are watching this video, there's a place that is more, the description. Just click on more and you have access to all my social media handle, including WhatsApp. And again, so here is it. And again, in this video, in the description of this video, I'm going to drop a link. I've done this also. If you want to learn how to make your face masks with Ankara without sewing machine, I have also, I'm dropping the link in the description of this video. And again, in the description of this video, I'm dropping a link to how to make a hand sanitizer by yourself. I made this myself. How to make liquid soap, I'm dropping the link also in the description of this video. How to make perfume, I will also drop it in the description of this video. How to make Dettol, I'm also dropping it in the description of this video. So if you follow this channel, you are going to be having a lot of valuable information. It's mostly about about online business, about entrepreneurship. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please don't forget to give me a like, give me a love. You can share this video with your loved ones. You can ask questions. You can reach out to me on my social media handles. And until I come your way again in my next video, do have a wonderful day. Bye.